video today. I'm going to be doing this is pretty much my everyday pamper routine. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be making the hair mask. Now I normally do all my DIY products on this table, but it's super messy right now, so I'm going to just do it on the countertop. So I'm just going to show you all the ingredients first, and then we will get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to use is an avocado, and then some honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I didn't have a glass container to microwave it in, so I just used like this plastic cup. And then, so I didn't have any coconut milk, I think she said to use. Yeah, so we're just going to be using this non-dairy oat beverage. Another thing that I'm going to use is this spoon. So first I'm going to take the avocado. I'm just going to use the spoon to kind of scoop all of the inside of it out. So now we're going to do 1 tablespoon of honey. We're going to put in the coconut oil. I'm just going to pour it into the bowl. For the oat beverage, or oat milk, I'm going to use a 1/4 cup. So first I'm just going to kind of mix it all together, and then I'm going to use my hand just to kind of mush up the avocado. So now that the mask is all nice and mixed up, I'm going to put it in this little container and then put it in the fridge so that it'll be nice and cool for when I put it in my hair. I like to have, like, either for my hair mask or for just a face mask, I like to have it cool. So I'm just going to put the avocado hair mask into this. So now I'm going to put the avocado mask in the fridge and then take it out when I'm going to use it. Normally before I take my bath, I'm going to do a workout. For today's workout, I'm doing a bar workout from Pop Sugar's YouTube channel. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to So now I'm going to apply my face mask. Now when I put in the oat beverage, the coconut oil kind of hardened again. So I just tried to really mix it up and break it up. So I just applied it all over my hair and in the scalp as well. And it's okay if it has some chunks in it. I just kind of like to kind of smush it into my hair so that it's not a lot of chunks. So I'm going to go into the bath and I will be right back. So now I put on my pajamas and now I'm going to do some hair products. So first I'm going to be using the Aussie Miracle Curls leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to put that in my ends and in my scalp. And then I'm going to take a cotton t-shirt just to wrap it up so so that my hair can just not completely dry, but a little bit dry. And then I like to put on my bathrobe. So now I'm going to spray some fragrance. This is the Aquamarine fragrance from Bath & Body Works. So in this clip you'll see me talking because I am actually doing another video in this video. So I'm actually going to be doing a heatless curls video, and it's going to be my next video, so stay tuned for that. So I'm just going to use this new thing that I got, and I'm just going to... Okay, so that is pretty much my everyday pamper routine. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys next time. Bye! Goodbye!